Hello friend, welcome to my channel The Art Zone. Today I'm going to show you this face mask. It is super easy to make. Let's start the video. Okay, we'll start our project with 50 chains. First of all, we'll make a slip knot. Then we'll make 50 chains. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Like this, we will complete our 51 chains. And 50. Make one more chain. These will be total 51 chains now. And we'll make a single crochet into the first chain. We'll make single crochet into next 10 chains. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Okay, we made 10 single crochet into our starting 10 chains, and now we'll make 30 double crochet into next each chain. Double crochet. 1, next chain double crochet, next chain double crochet, next chain double crochet. We'll just make 1 double crochet into each next chain until we reach to the 30 chain. We'll just make 1 double crochet like that. (28). This is 29 and 30. Okay, we have completed our 30 double crochet. Now we have these 10 chains, so we'll make 1 single crochet into each next chain. 1, 2, 9 single crochet, and now we have this last chain, so we'll make a single crochet and complete the first row. You can see that we made 10 double single crochet, 30 double crochet, and 10 single crochet. Make a chain and turn the work. Now we'll start to make our single crochet by taking the back loop of our first chain like that. In each round we'll just take the back loop and make 10 single crochet, four, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. You can see that in second round we made 10 single crochet by taking the back loop. And now in this 30 double crochet we also take the back loop like this and make a double crochet. Take the back loop, make a double crochet, again we'll take the back loop. In all rounds we'll just take the back loop and we'll use this pattern and complete all the rounds. Just take the back loop and make a double crochet into next 30 chains. Like that we'll use this pattern and complete this round. 29 and this is my 30 double crochet. You can see that we made 30 double crochet, and now again we will make 10 single crochet by taking the back loop. 1, 2, 9, and this one is my last single crochet. 10. Again make a chain and turn the work, and with same pattern we'll complete this round also. Single crochet, next chain, single crochet, next chain, single crochet. We'll make 10 single crochet, 30 double crochet and 10 single crochet and complete the round. Now we'll start to make double crochet into each next chain with the help of back loop. Okay, next chain, single crochet, next chain single crochet, next chain single crochet, and into the last chain we'll make a single crochet and make a chain and turn the work, and again start to work with single crochet, 10 single crochet, 30 double crochet and 10 single crochet into our last chains. With this pattern we'll complete our 14 or 16 round. It's up to you. I'll make 16 rows and meet you at the end of my rows. Okay, you can see that we have completed our 16 rows. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14 and 16. Now we'll start to make the holding strips with 45 chains. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We'll complete 45 chains. 41, 42, 43, 44 and 45. After completing these 45 chains, we will make a slip stitch into the first chain, make a slip stitch, make a chain in, make a single crochet into next chain, single crochet into next chain, and we'll just make a single crochet into next each chain and complete this row with single crochet like this. And we'll complete this row. Okay, you can see that this is my last chain. I'll make a single crochet, and now I'll again start to make 45 chains from here for the second holding strip. Okay, we have completed our 45 chains, and we'll make a slip stitch into the other side and cut the yarn. Now I'll start to make this strip. I'll take my yarn from here and make 20 chains. 1, 2, 20, and make a slip stitch into the third row like that. Make a slip stitch and cut the yarn. So friend, you can see that our mask is ready. After completing our crochet, we will use this tissue paper to make it safer. We will insert it from both strips like this. I hope you will like it. Please subscribe my channel. I'll meet you soon with a new video. Till then, goodbye.